Yo, what up, my dudes? My name is Nathan, and today I'm gonna be reacting to I'm not gonna be reacting to anything, actually. I'm gonna be looking up Dust Sands. It was requested by my brother. Dust Sands. Dust Sands X-Rated, what?
Sorry, Nathan.
It's fine. Anyway, let's do images. Alright, let's start with this one. Oh, that's cool. What? Okay. This is just about what I expected. Huh. Another that I expected. Okay, that kind of... Wow. That's... Wow. Oh, this is creepy. I love it. Okay. Alright. What is with these ships? Jesus. People are shipping Dust Sands with blue? God, jeez Louise. Oh, there's Phantom Papyrus in the back, behind Sands. Phantom Papyrus is, just a floating head. That's kind of creepy. I don't even know what to say about this one. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. What? Happy Pills meme? I'm not even gonna ask. What the fridge? What the okay, what is this? I don't even... Okay, I should have seen this one coming. Okay, that one is so cool. Whoa, okay, that is awesome. Whoa. Language! English. Sorry, I had to. But seriously, blue and Dust Sands, what in the hell? Okay, yeah, probably. I am determination. Whatever. Wow. This is to be expected. Ah.
Guys, be quiet, because my brother's doing...
I see.
And he doesn't not want it.
What?
So just
The...
keep it down.
What? Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the... I think that's enough for today. There's so much... What the... Okay, there is so much, What? Anyway, there's so much fan art. Some that I haven't even loaded yet. What the... Okay, yeah, there's so much fan art of Dust Sands. Yeah, so...
I think...
Oh my god. Anyway, there's so much fan art of this guy. Can't react to I can't check all of them out, but I checked some of them out. I don't have the patience to look at all of them. But, no, I'm not streaming, I'm just oh, there's Frisk. Huh. Oh, come on! Why? Why? Oh my, why? Anyway, oh, there's horror. Anyway, I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.